Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 403. An error was encountered during authentication problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like guys. First solution consists of two small steps. Our first step to change Roblox compatibility settings guys. To do this, right click on the Roblox player, select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and uncheck the disable full screen optimization and apply and OK. And after doing this, our second step is to clear Roblox cache files from our browser and computer. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. In here you just need to search for Roblox folder. Right click on the Roblox folder and select delete it guys. Don't worry, deleting this file will not do any harm to our Roblox account guys. Now we have cleared Roblox data from our computer. To clear in browser, open up Chrome, select the three dot icon over here and select settings guys. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select third party cookies. And scroll down and select see all site data and permission. Search for Roblox in here. Click on the trash icon and clear it up guys. After clearing it, close out of here. This was our first solution guys. Now you can check if your problem resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to change the DNS server addresses. Reason we do this is if we are getting the problem we are experiencing because of our DNS addresses, we will try to solve the problem by changing our DNS guys. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it guys. Now click on network and internet. Select the network and sharing center. Click on the network connection you are using it. Click on it. Click on the properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties again. In here you just need to select the use the following DNS addresses 8888 down 8844. Click on OK for save changes. Now close out of here. Now check your problem resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to reset our IP and DNS addresses. The reason we do this is because the problem we are experiencing may be caused by our internet. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Click run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these three commands guys used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. After doing these three commands, to complete this process we need to restart our computer guys. After restarting your computer, check your problem resolved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.